Hello everyone, welcome to Mommy Studies. I am your mom, a student of CS and LLB, and someone who is trying to follow her dreams while raising a little one. Here, I started Mommy Studies because there were days I felt alone, tired, and unmotivated. But slowly I realized many moms are on the same journey. This channel is for all the strong women studying while taking care of their children. I want to share study tips, motivation, and simple content that helps. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to keep going on. If you are a student, a mother, or both, this space is for you. Let's grow together and please support my channel and thanks for watching.